How to fix if this app can't open, check Windows Store for more info error pops up on Windows 10. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings and go to apps. You'll find apps and feature, click on it and select the app that has problem. Simply click on uninstall. Again, click on uninstall and that app will be uninstalled. After that, simply open Microsoft Store. In Microsoft Store, search the app you deleted earlier. After you find the app, simply install the app again and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix this app can't open. Check Windows Store for more info. Error pops in Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.